Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, green color, pink color, chocolate color, red color, purple color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star and pentagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star, and pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Purple color, circle. Green color, triangle. Chocolate color, square. Orange color, star. Pink color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn red color, heart. Purple color, circle, green color, triangle, chocolate color, square, orange color, star, pink color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.